Ladies and gentlemen, today I am here to discuss a topic that might be controversial, but is essential for our very existence. The importance of meat in our diets. Meat is a vital protein source that our bodies require to maintain and support life. Our bodies are mainly composed of water, and the majority of our proteins are derived from meat. Meat provides essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. These amino acids are necessary for the growth, repair, and maintenance of our body's tissues, including our muscles, bones, and skin. In addition to providing essential nutrients, meat is also a delicious and nutritious food source. It contains vitamins, minerals, and iron that are essential for our overall health. In fact, one of the most significant benefits of meat is its high iron content, which is critical for pregnant women, infants, and young children who require more iron to produce red blood cells. Moreover, meat is a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair, as well as maintaining overall health and well-being. The United States Department of Agriculture (USDA) recommends a daily protein intake of at least 46 grams per person, which can be achieved with a well-balanced diet that includes lean meats. In conclusion, meat is an essential food component that plays a crucial role in maintaining our health and supporting our body's vital functions. It provides essential nutrients, including amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, which are necessary for growth, repair, and overall well-being. So, the next time you enjoy a delicious, protein-packed meal, remember that you're not just feasting on delicious food, you're also supporting your body's optimal functioning.